waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles until 7:30 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Slaughter Beach, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Overfalls Shoal, Brown Shoal Light, Buoy 4SB, Buoy 3SB, Slaughter Beach, Cape May Reef, Cape Henlopen, Cape May Point, Buoy 2 Milliseconds, Brandywine Shoal Light, Wildwood Reef, and Wildwood. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.